Today we will be learning how to make banana, zucchini, and oat muffins. Before we cook, it is important to make sure that our hands are washed and the surfaces we will be working on are clean. As you can see, all of our ingredients are in this picture. We will go through each ingredient individually as well as the tools needed to complete this recipe in the next slides. All of the ingredients will be mixed together in one bowl, so as we prepare each ingredient, we can add it to the same bowl. The tools we will need for this recipe include a bowl, a spoon for mixing, a muffin pan, a grater, oven mitts, measuring cups, a teaspoon measuring spoon, and a half teaspoon measuring spoon. So first we will need 1.5 cups of zucchini, which is about 2 small zucchinis. This step does require a grater which is sharp, so ensure caution is used during this step or ask for assistance. Next, we will need 1/2 cup of mashed banana, which is about 1 banana. For this step, it is easier to slice the banana first and then mash it in a bowl. Since a banana is a soft fruit, it can be sliced through with a butter knife. We will then need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Be sure not to pack the flour down when measuring. Then we will need 3/4 cup of oatmeal. Next, we will need 1 cup of light brown sugar. Unlike the flour, we want to make sure that the brown sugar is packed down when measuring. We will then need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. After that, we will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we will need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, we will need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. After that, we will need 3/4 cup of milk. We will then need 1 egg. Then we will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we will need 1/2 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt pictured is higher in protein, but any vanilla Greek yogurt will work. After that, we will need 1/2 cup of walnuts. Now that we have reviewed all of the ingredients needed, we will look into each step. We want to first make sure that our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Next, we want to grease our muffin pans with butter, oil, or cooking spray. We will then mix all of our ingredients together in one bowl. Once mixed, spoon the batter into greased muffin tins and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can be sure that they are cooked by inserting a toothpick in the middle and cooking until it comes out clean. Make sure to take caution during this step and use protection against the heat or ask for assistance. Lastly, let them sit for about 5 minutes once removed from the oven and enjoy.